You just found the 2020 Mazda CX-9. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make every road trip the best it can be in this sweet-driving CX-9. 3 rows of seating, above-class interior materials and design, flexible layout, advanced safety features, and handsome looks are all on board so you can relax and enjoy whatever the road has in store. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, electronic stability control. Feel energized and confident in this family-focused CX-9. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.